Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to be sharing another video with you all. Today I'm going to show you how I created a rustic glam master bedroom makeover. Now, you've seen me many times guys share my master bedroom, but when I first moved into this home, it had wallpaper on the wall. Now, as much as I love the wallpaper, I just felt it wasn't me. And after 5 years living in the home, I knew I had to give it Chelle's touch. So I started this DIY quite a few weeks ago, and unfortunately then I got ill with my wisdom teeth, so I had to put it on hold. But this week, right in time for Mother's Day, I was able to transform my master bedroom, and that's what you're about to see. I just want to give a big shout out to you all. You all leave me the most beautiful comments. I truly love reading them. If I don't get back to you straight away, I always try to reply, guys. There's so many to reply to, but I want to take the time to reply to you all. I don't want to just give a thumbs up and move on, because I know you took time out of your day, and I want to take time out of my day to appreciate what you have done. So if you like these types of videos, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. Can I say that again? Chelle's Glam Home family. So, without further ado, let's get started. A very big shout out once again. I have to thank him all the time. Could not have done this without hubby. His name is Chris. Give him a big thumbs up down in the comments, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
So guys, here is my master bedroom. When we purchased the house 5 years ago, the previous owners had installed this black and silver wallpaper. Now, as much as I loved it, guys, I definitely wanted to add Chelle's touch, and I was definitely feeling something very rustic. Now guys, we headed off to Bunnings, and my original idea was to get some peel and stick flooring to do as a feature wall. Now, we came across 2 packets that were on clearance, and it was the exact amount that we need. Little did we know when we got home, they were actually not peel and stick. Now, as we knew that there was no other colours that we liked in peel and stick, we decided to keep them, guys, and my husband decided just to nail them to the wall. Now, he liked this idea better, number one, because he knows that I often change my mind, and he liked the fact that they weren't going to be glued to the wall. But as soon as he started putting them up, I was so obsessed. I knew that my vision would come to life. Now, my hubby cut them in different sizes, guys, to give that sort of shiplap look, but with a rustic touch. So while my hubby was finishing the wall, I wanted to get started on another DIY for the room. Now guys, remember I did a DIY fireplace mantle for my outdoor area that I picked up from the recycle centre. On that day, I actually purchased 2 mantles and I knew one had to go in my bedroom. So off camera, I painted this white. Now, while it was drying, my husband and I headed off to Bunnings once again. We wanted to find something that we could create a fireplace mantle backdrop. I also picked up this electric fireplace. Now, I knew that would be perfect for what I had in mind, guys. So we picked up some of this melamine MDF and it was really inexpensive, so we brought it home. And what my husband's doing here is we traced out the outline of the electric fireplace and he's cutting a hole for where it will sit. Now, once he had finished, I brought it inside. Now, also from Bunnings, guys, I picked up this contact paper. I truly loved how it had that mosaic look about it. And what I did off camera is I completely covered the MDF in this contact paper. So here is what it was looking like so far. My husband built a little step stool for the fireplace to sit on, and then we placed it off camera inside. Now, I also wanted to add some really pretty fretwork to the front of the mantle. So I originally painted this white, but I changed my mind and painted it Blue Balm by Dulux off camera. Now, guys, I also had ordered a brand new rug for my room. Now, I was going for a really beautiful blue theme, so I absolutely love this rug, which is from aurugs.com.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you.
We also decided to replace our original blind. It was dark brown, so we picked up from Spotlight this white Venetian blind, and my husband installed it off camera. So guys, I also wanted to replace our pendant lights. The previous owners had installed these as well, and I wanted to add Chelle's touch. And what do you think I put here? So now was the absolute fun part of styling the room. So what I did, guys, is I started on the mantle and I shopped my own home. I love this lighted chandelier canvas that I picked up from TK Maxx a few years ago, and I just added that to the top. Now, I also wanted to add some leopard print in the room, and I recently picked up these beautiful cushions from TK Maxx, as well as this navy fluffy one, and I couldn't wait to style my bed. And guys, here is my Rustic Glam master bedroom makeover. I am so happy with this, guys. We put our heart and soul into this one and I couldn't be more pleased. It really has that feel about it that I really love. My husband said it's probably his favourite room in the whole house. We've done so many DIYs in this home and I just love the rustic glam feel about this room.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here.
I'm so in love with my chandelier pendants. From the time I've lived in this home, guys, I always imagined chandeliers hanging from there. And I absolutely love my DIY fireplace mantle.
There's a party.
I always wished to have a fireplace in my room, but I wanted to do it on a budget, guys. Mantles can be so expensive, and I absolutely love how this came.
I just hope that we're still okay. You
Above my bed head, I added this chandelier canvas, which is from Home Sweet Home Furniture.
losing our minds, and if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds, and if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want, to what we want.
I mentioned in my previous video that my hubby and I sat for a couple of hours putting together those chandelier pendants, and guys, it was so frustrating at the time, but now that they are up, I am so happy that I persevered and stuck to what I wanted, because my hubby even says that I can't believe how beautiful they look. And there's something about a chandelier, guys, this is the glam that's coming out in me, that I will be always drawn to. If I walk into a shop, if I walk into someone's home and they have a chandelier, I will be in awe of that for hours. I don't know what it is, but I truly love my chandeliers.
Let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around.
A big shout out has to go to my amazing hubby. This was a big DIY, guys. It took us quite a few weeks, and I couldn't have done it without him. I truly couldn't have.
To what we want.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to making over a rustic glam bedroom.
There's a party downtown, really hope that you're coming by. But you always pick me up and let me down.
Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, guys. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love most of all if you'd hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.